Yes, good evening, everyone. How you guys doing? How was your day? I'm very sorry for coming online very late. I promised to be online 7 o'clock to analyze the show of shame today, but I had to stay. I had to wait to watch Politics Today on channels where uh, Sagezeyamu spoke. The special advisor to the governor, Mr. Crusoe Osage, spoke. A clip of the embattled national chairman of APC was also played. And our Honorable Commissioner for Information was a guest in the program. Now, this is the cocoa, Edo people. Let me smile first. Please share this broadcast. Invite your friends to join us. Osage Izeyamu has destroyed himself politically. Osage Izeyamu allowed himself to be destroyed the third time by Adams Aliyu Oshiomhole, the embattled APC national chairman. It was a show of shame. I was disappointed watching Izeyamu fooling himself. I was disappointed watching Izeyamu showing the height of desperation. I was very sad that my Billy brother allowed himself to be used. That my Billy brother offered himself as a willing tool in the hands of Oshiomhole. Izeyamu is the most desperate politician in Edo State. Do you know why? Because he has no second address. He has no other thing. He said he's a lawyer. He does not have a chamber. He said he's a farmer. Go to his big farm in Amagba. Nothing is happening there. All he does from January to December, from Monday to Sunday, is politics. So these people, they are ready to do anything politically to be relevant. Thank God we have a noiseless and intelligent and educated governor, a technocrat, an investment banker. The highest politics in the world is played in the financial sector. Not be this. Now politics with a place. So the highest politics is played in the financial sector. That's the highest politics. That's where brain works. Where you outshine your mates with your brain, not with guns, not with lies, not with propaganda. Today, Pastor has once again disgrace himself. Now, the real cocoa. I'm sure some of you that follow this page, Cracked in the Jar. Some months ago, we posted a picture of the governor and his entourage attending Pastor Izeyamu's birthday. So few months ago, like 3-4 months ago, it was said, the pictures were everywhere. All Izeyamu cyber urchins, they posted the pictures everywhere. The EPM, they were already fighting then. No? They were like, hey, anti-party. What is Obaseki doing in Izeyamu's birthday? Anti-party started making noise. Izeyamu told his online urchins, his online supporters, that Obaseki is not his problem. That the governor is doing well during the birthday reception. That it will be foolish of him to start fighting the governor. That the person that destroyed him politically is Adamu. That he does not want to see any of his supporters attack the governor senselessly on social media. He told them, he said it's normal. You can criticize government constructively, but don't go online and insult the governor. If you notice, for years, Jessica was not attacking us. Jessica was always coming to government house. Jessica Mafe. There was a day I saw her in government. I said, this one that you are coming to government house. The day you will write anything against the governor, or the day you insult the governor, or the day you criticize the governor senselessly, I will expose you. And I will use my platform to expose you. That's why I'm afraid Jessica, she's so scared of me because she knows me very well. She knows I know her. All his supporters, Oedoko, Baron Mike, many don't run as he take this evil road. They've dumped him. And we've incorporated them into the Togba family worldwide. He said, no problem. The next thing, Oshiomhole sent people to go and see Izeyamu. He said, if the collabo between Izeyamu and Obaseki would not be palatable for them, because it's like he has collected money from whoever to remove governor. So he don't get how Adamu wanted to go back to whoever give him money, say, enough fit. The next thing, say people go to Izeyamu, say, what is Izeyamu doing there? What is Izeyamu doing with Godwin? That they have concluded plans to remove him. And Izeyamu should come and join them. Instead of Izeyamu to say, no, you can't use me for the third time. You used me before in 2012. You destroyed me. You refused to give me appointments. You refused to give me contract. And after some time, you pushed me out of the party. And in 2016, you said all sorts of unpredictable things against me. I am not interested. If you want to join the APC, I will join the governor's side, not your side, not EPM. Before you know it, they offer and waiting off you reject. Because in politics, they believe everybody has a price tag. But they are so surprised that up to this minute, they are yet to see my price tag. There are people that are standing by the governor today that have no price tag. They are surprised. This is the first time in the history of Edo politics that people are not making money from the government, but they are supporting the government because the government is working. The government is really giving the people the dividends of democracy. The next thing, the first picture I saw was posted by this Amafe Jessica. Pastor Izeyamu attend Clem Agba's appointment reception at Transcorp Transcorp, yes, Transcorp or Nikon. That Transcorp or Nikon hitting. And when I saw, please share this broadcast too, please. Very important. That's the only way. If you are a member of Talkback family, share this broadcast. And if you are a lover of good governance, you love what the man is doing, share this broadcast. When I saw the picture, I sent a text to some of my powerful leaders. I said, Izeyamu, don't go. They said, no, Izeyamu is governor's friend. He's always calling the governor. He has told his people not to criticize the government, that Obaseki is doing well, that it would be foolish of him to be criticizing the government needlessly, that he's so impressed, that they thought Oshiomhole was going to be using Obaseki, that they thought Oshiomhole was going to have Obaseki's remote, but Obaseki has proved himself to them that he's a man that is capable of taking decisions, is capable of ruling this state without interference from the wannabe godfather. I said, forget, Izeyamu going to that reception, he don't go. Izeyamu is a political businessman. Now all of the con knows about talk this thing at the early stage. I know I made this video too long. Make I fast forward the story. Till we call here recently say, Izeyamu go see Oshiomhole that they discussed. They took Izeyamu to some leaders in Abuja. Some rejected. Some said, no. This one, you want to remove Godwin? You want to remove it? Brain boss of Buhari government? Brain boss? The governor that helps all the governors in Nigeria? The vice chairman of APC Progressive Governors Forum? This one will not fly. We join you in 2016 to rubbish this one. Right in front of Izeyamu, they were telling him, this one, she said this one will work. This one not will go, may go as a rep now, or may go contest for already council chairman. This one not will work. The president will not take this one from you. He said, no. That, Oshiomhole, you get him out over. Before you know it, people now started, Izeyamu boys now started insulting Obaseki online. I said, Izeyamu, don't go. Instead, all this while, he was always calling the governor. He was always calling the governor. We did one day, they call governor, the phone went off. Governor called send a text, say, I am busy. If they call, people they call that, why is he calling you? He don't go meet Adamu for Abuja now. Why is he disturbing you? He wanted to balance the both sides. Say, don't worry. We want to play one dirty game with governor. Don't worry. I deal with you. I will join you. Deal with this man. I never forget what he do me. But governor is not like that. He's not a treacherous human being. His A is A and his B is B. His smiles are genuine. If he laugh for your matter, is genuine. You don't know how to fake. He tried. The next is how they call Taiwo Akerele, chief of staff to Edo State government. Taiwo, hey, don't mind these people. Don't mind our battle. I'm not coming to fight your party, your governor. I'm not even coming to contest. I just want to help you people. My party, PDP, I don't understand them. I just want to join you people to build the party. He talk. That one not mine now. The next thing, he start to call SSG. Hello, Barrister Sadiogi. That one is always busy. That one a technocrat too. That one is always busy, he's always working. If you see Barrister Sadiogi for government, now fast, they carry. That's why the governor loves him so much. He's a very hardworking man. He's one of the most intelligent brains we have in Obaseki's government. Barrister Sadiogi. He do for where? No, nice, okay, no wahala. Now he go back, go meet national chairman. I don't want to give a date to the camp. They don't already see president itinerary. If you notice, they fixed this date like 10 days ago. They've already seen the president itinerary by 10th, 10th level. Now the president will be flying to you know that if you have noticed, now when President Buhari no there, now show like they do bad things. Now they strike. Once Buhari come, now don't still enter his share, don't hide again. They not going to see and say President will travel that day go Egypt. And they put on Friday. Say, anyhow, let's go to Edo. All the Tinubu give a man. Say, don't worry, we'll fly down. You know, the Tinubu come someone that carry Tinubu come Edo for Chief Edebiri birthday. Hey, they be one bring her come back. All the Momo Agege, some the Bello, the Yaya Bello, all those people where you rig election for. Then they say, don't worry. About 4 governors were there with time. Then they say, don't worry, we are storming that town. They give a man, they begin a plan. They begin a plan. They begin a plan. When they tell us, say, no, it's not Lagos, so this rally not go hold, though. He not go hold, though. They say, we shut up. Who's about to say, quick, get quiet, get quiet, get quiet. He don't know be Lagos, so. He don't know be Lagos, so. He don't know be Lagos, so. Obaseki no be a model. Obaseki no be a model. He no go the same no lie. The rallies more hold. Since morning, Ambafe Jessica never post for Ize Yamu because they are in pains. Yeah, so they are in pains. The Mike Murray, the BC Idaomi, they are in pains. They are in pains. They don't believe what they see. God, what can do? President Muhammadu Buhari, no God. 3 days, as they were y'all say, Chief of Staff, Boss Mustafa, put Edo Governor Gordon Obaseki on this trip to Egypt. And then they hail. The same presidential jet come back. That day when I do live video, when I see governor for airport, I thought governor was going to Lagos because he was meant to receive an award in Abuja, in Lagos. Me don't say that president send that jet, Air Force presidential jet, come pick governor. If the president all day throughout the night till the next day when they travel, it was with the president, they were walking. Then they move. As they move, they okay, now governor is not royal. Then they begin to do. Tinubu said they go service in jet, say they go and do. All of them, the moment I get girl, hey, when they come. No guy said to her. Have governor na agbalo. Here na agbalo. Have Philip na agbalo. Have Philip na agbalo. Have by South Sadio na agbalo. Here na agbalo. Here na agbalo. The next thing, they go bring one letter say IG already approved the rally. That IG is deploying. That IG has directed the State Commissioner of Police to provide security. I begin to see, how about where you dey? If you get mad on Friday, go Garrick. If you get mad on Friday, go Garrick. So they say, how about not go hide for Lekki? How about the Lekki face one? How about they go about don't hide? How about no say that rally must hold? They Roma. They run out. I tell them, say, that rally no go hold for Garrick Memorial. That on Friday, we will know who owns the land. We will know who be the #1 citizen of Edo State. The rally will not hold. I supposed to be Lagos till Monday. Yesterday, I just called my guy, say, hey, rebook my ticket. Put me on the next available flight to Edo. And the guy said, Arik, day. 4 o'clock flight to Benin. I said, put me for Arik, any amount. I was supposed to fly to Benin with airpiece. He said, no. And I said, no worry. Open the other ticket. I buy first ticket for me to Benin. I buy Arik in Eastern. The money was about 40-something thousand. Now that money, 40-something K. Bah! As me the airport, we don't hear information for Lagos. Say Edo don't cast away. Obaseki men they protest. They bunk people. They this one. Now I joined them for the rally. I put my back beside my car. I joined the rally. I was there with them. My lay support. We don't sit down for face. We deal with government, we deal with her. Today we deal somewhere. When somebody see the spirit, when they mean the guys come and listen and better thing one tell me. He say, Abba, you need to be very careful. You know, say you knew Mario and your wife you born. That's a coming to say not be say the way you talk to me, I will slap you. You tell them my wife born. And you want to remind me say I my wife born. You did that with my wife born. Now you want to tell me say my wife born. Now you want to remind me say I newly married. Now I warned him. I said, come, not try him. If you give people some kind of advice, don't try it again. I'm not a baby. Don't come and tell me that you married, you born. You mad? He said, no, it's for Christ. I said, don't try it again. Don't make that mistake. People will say they want to move up, they don't get children for us. They don't get wife for us. The next thing when they see, with they protest, the next thing when they see a letter from IG, Baza. Before that time, governor Edo State government don't knock them. Bah! Because they were bringing talks from different states. That governor closed schools for security reasons. We don't get children who will put for schools that day, make all these talks. When one go back, when they look for governor, when they go bring back Agbeurizi, when they go destroy things. They go kill our children from school. Governor shut down the school. As if now they go zap. Now the management of Garrick fed call and say, we are sorry, this rally will not hold. So I said, no, don't worry. It's a party matter. Now the owner of the people who the manage Garrick, now they fair end the call sharply. Back, cut and say, they are not serious. After like 2 hours, that letter come from Abuja. Igworo. Oshiomhole is still there, Abuja. In the airport, he won't fly. No, he don't move. I wish he's still there airport. He see that letter for don't move. He don't already move. Bah, as he move, as they touch ground and they throw the letter for airport. Hey, weak. National chairman. Not you be the first national chairman. And you will not be the last. After you, another Edo man will still emerge national chairman. If not be greedy, where Izayamu greedy. By this time, Izayamu will be national chairman. That person will be patient. I keep telling people, say, if Obaseki's government as a politician is not favoring you, patient. Nobody know what will happen next 6 months. Nobody know what will happen next year. Nobody know what will happen after a re-election. Patient. If not by political patronage, somebody like me not even supposed to support, not even supposed to say I want comments. But I see future in Obaseki. He's doing what he was voted to do. And then nothing. The next thing, Pastor blow convoy from Yaso Ugbo to Garrick. Oh yeah, where your mobile phone can't do video. Say the rally must hold. They are arranging enemy. People begin to call me. How about to see one video? He said, Yamu say the rally go hold. Though. I told them, I said the rally will not hold. He said Yamu is not above the law. Oshiomhole is not above the law. The Inspector General of Police has given a directive. No rally. No political rally. I was awake till 2 a.m. this morning. So I go sleep till 5. I don't wake up. I was waiting for them. The next thing we hear say around 6, they may move. All those Demokabe, they move that early morning to Izayamu house. They got there around 6. They were inside the compound. Because I don't say maybe from 8 o'clock, police feel restrict them from going there. 6:30, they don't already there inside the compound. They say, how far? Now Pastor Tere say, he don't hook. He don't hook. He don't hook. It's okay, anyhow. Let's just make it. Let's just make noise. Let's just make noise. He don't hook. Then they begin a call commissioner. Before Pastor Coffee call commissioner, Pastor come back commissioner say, people don't already travel from different local governments. They are already around. They are in his house. That is just on that they've already cooked, they don't buy drink, they don't buy water, saying why you share food. So I don't know the response from the commissioner saying want share food. Now food they say they want share. And that money, this government banned all political rallies and protests because of what happened yesterday for Airport Road. Where Adamu talk, poor girls, because they want to go carry Adamu for airport in a commando style. They were pouring girls. They are police, they have been shoot. I was there, I saw them. We were just doing our peaceful protest. Obaseki not going to ever give anybody gun. Obaseki will never be party to anybody when they say they want to go do violence. It was just a peaceful protest. We were dancing, we were beating drum, we were just enjoying ourselves. I was even spraying those drummers. I was encouraging them. The next thing that we see police, army, soldier, and everybody take off. As they shoot, and their talks they shoot. That will fall back. The next thing, then the entire airport. Then they shoot. The next thing I will say private jet land. They come so now the muko hey good like this. Not before you call your enter. Now you are now using almost 50 armed security men just because you want land. Now you don't understand. Say not be as they call Baba, so they call Ye. As the young carrier come and put up for him, they go drive down to Iri. They go past Play Road to a house. They don't use the main airport road. As the young come and they, as they shoot anyhow, randomly. As they shoot any other people. So when they walk out for road, we don't know anything about APC that they collect bullets. They're Central Hospital now. They are receiving treatment there. Now see the pictures. They are there. People when they walk out, they are on some collect for neck, some collect for legs, some collect for this thing. They not be APC, they not be PDP. They're there. They don't already. Police don't go take their statement. Pressmen don't go there. As they see that one, then they say no. Then they order to them to be placed under house arrest. He was restricted. In Oshiomhole's house today in Benin, you can only go in, you can't come out. Ask the people where go. Ask them, people, he compound full. Once you don't enter that compound, you can't come outside. Total house arrest. Place on. Say, from there, now police go escort and go airport, go to Abuja. House arrest. The deputy chairman, South Sat, all of them did there. As Omo Agege played already land for Asaba. As he hear what they play, all of them, they're not going to come. Baba weak. They say Baba weak for palo. Baba they shake leg. Baba they shake leg. They say Baba they shake leg. Police full gates. Say we are sorry, sir. Order from above. You can't come out. You can't go to any rally. He make up, nothing work. Now why they say I'm compound? They were there till 4 o'clock waiting. They were waiting. They didn't say magic will happen for where they carry soldier go for where. So you go nowhere. Order from above. You know they come up for this house. Obaseki, everywhere. The power where you get, the power where God give you, and the good thing about your own, you know they make noise. Our Baba, The man want be godfather at their house. Hey! Why ain't you gonna have with private? You know what they carry private jet come? More than 4 private jet in that land. You go be to carry each private jet to and fro. It's almost 6 million naira. Ogbe. To fair carry channels. They wanted to air the program live. Channels to carry channels to air any political rally. We make 10 million. If you don't get 10 million, you don't go near them. They carry IT, carry TVC, carry NTA. Igoni and low. No be money they pay for guy, no be canopy, no be stage, no be artists when they bring come. They are planned before. They be one show the world, say that they get capacity. They be one show to the world, say because they know how to rent crowd. They don't deploy, they don't send money go different local government, mobilize anybody. They don't send buses or magba. Go to control today, soldier, police, no more to drive reach Izeyamu house. All of them stop for road. They'll say, where you they go? My house is here. Now they tell la. When they get that few crowd they see for there. Let's where you go to? Where you go to? My house is here. My house is here. Then they tell some follow back. Some follow Ugyokwe. So go follow back. That one a matter where he go need to sort with Edo State government, because there was already a ban on political rallies, and government don't say anybody when do rally, say anywhere they do one, they go revoke the CFO. So Izeyamu, you know, say Sabi beg for this. If I go down and send test to governor, you expect say I'm sorry. Go and listen to my speech. I did not insult you. I said I'm coming to make peace. Go, you go down and say take, go down and call everybody. Is at the risk of losing that house. Don't joke with government. Don't joke with government. After president is governor. After president is governor. Don't play. Check no national TV carry on. I said take the cap. Area the cap. I said take the cap. No national TV carry on. No national TV. Only social media like they use. Facebook. After everything, after some time, police don't get report say, now rally. Then police move. I said, what are you people doing here? Shut down this rally now. Around after 2. Shut down. You have less than 5 minutes to leave this building. And after they take off everything, then because I want to do. What's that? Please, 1 minute. Yes, I'm sorry. As we're saying, then they evacuate them sharply. As they pursue them, that's okay. Now that the national chairman, because they were playing music, they were just dancing, deceiving themselves, waiting for their national chairman to come. Before you know them, once they place you on under house arrest, people can visit you, but you cannot go out. You have to be like when you dey police station. People will come look for you for station. Say, I'm here to look for one of your suspects. I'm here to. People can enter, but you cannot come out. And if you enter today, you cannot come outside. Now, Lord, they take part. Go. If you watch the video, you will understand. See, the man was in pains. Oshiomhole not happy. He don't believe. Say this fight go hard like this. When your children, they respect you, when they love you, when they protect you, not take advantage of them, not look say that they're stupid. They manage him for years. They try. I know how many times deputy will go meet governor. Say, don't worry. Comrade will change. Comrade is not the comrade we know. As when we help you build, now you want to try to destroy so. Now you want to go to Abuja and go sit down and say they don't let you go rally. For state only for do 8 years. State only for do 8 years. How? Your hand off fall. Your hand off fall. The governor just landed with Mr. President in Abuja. We are expecting him tomorrow or next. Your hand off fall. That's Oshiomhole. We are not happy seeing you humiliated. But now wait till you choose for yourself. Now food we're hungry for market, now you buy. They try for you. God will try for you. Everybody try to manage the situation. But you were power drunk. You believe that because you be national chairman, you fit do and undo. You fit do anything when you like. No. Now that the governor has activated his power, not cry, oh. Not cry. Fight, oh. Not run, fight. Please, and for those calling me to say reconciliation, don't call me for reconciliation. Don't try it. Please, don't try it. If you want to preach reconciliation, just carry your reconciliation, go outside. Oshiomhole never allowed reconciliation between him and Aneni. Oshiomhole never allowed reconciliation between him and Igbinedion. Oshiomhole never allowed any form of reconciliation between him and Onoyegu. He fought Godfathers to a standstill in this state, and we will not allow that reconciliation between him and Obaseki. No. It should just give peace a chance. It should allow this man to run his government. It should just allow this man. Allow him. Face your national assignment. You get many work to do. There are crises in almost all the state. Go and use your position to try to start resolving this crisis. Leave Edo. No be proclamation matter there now again. No. No be commissioners when governor sack the day now. No be SSA when they sack now the day now. No be Odubu. Now the day now Odubu appointment where hook. Now the day now. I heard that some days ago, Davidson was begging Akpabio seriously. He was begging Akpabio to inaugurate the board that he will allow Akpabio to produce the senatorial candidates that will be used to replace Akpabio. He was begging seriously. Was begging profusely. Was begging Akpabio, please. My state is on fire. Don't disgrace me. Please, just inaugurate this board. Even if they don't have official car, even if you are not using them, just inaugurate them. He was begging Akpabio. But Akpabio only do not be small picking. Akpabio is not a baby. So, today, I want to appreciate you. I can't afford Okpa. I know we'll talk everything finished today. I don't want this video to be more than 40 minutes. If you have data, watch all. I know that my brokers are always interesting. I didn't dish out the truth. If I talk, they'll say, about shut up, what do you know? All of them shut up now. I know be government. Go to River State, go try yourself. Go to Delta State, go to Akwa Ibom, go try yourself. Governor will talk, you'll talk. Because I say and finish it, not the talk. 4 + 4 sacrosanct. It's not negotiable. I vex. They cry for challenges. They are in serious pains. I said tell them the camp. Is that how to do mega rally? Odubu now can receive this thing for EPA. Odubu now can receive pastor. Oshiomhole is enough for us. They lock her. Before you do next time, you go think twice. All the agberos, all those talks where you believe they fail on. They fail out of the mem. They fail on. You don't believe your eyes. He believes I see it almost all those he talks, we don't chase everybody come up from Benin. All those talks fail on. You don't believe your eyes. Obaseki 4+4 talk ba. Oshiomhole lokpa eti tai. Yokpa yo guy no hokia. Yes, eti tai. Iye do guane. For we see. I'll share a video now. If you love what we are doing. And please let me appeal. Let me appeal to people that call me, either on WhatsApp, on Facebook Messenger, or those that have my number. Please. The reason I do live broadcast is for me to explain to you people. I cannot be taking calls. I am sorry. I can't. When they call my phone off. So go watch my video. They'll constantly call me, about, see what I see. I don't understand. I cannot be explaining to everybody. My head go burst. Please, and even if you call me and I pick your call, I beg, don't let them pass 2 minutes. Because sometimes people will feel you are rude or you are disrespectful when they call you and say, please, I'm busy, I can't take long call. The officer in the form, no. As they call me, other people they call me, or I get other things to respond to. I also get my family and business to attend to. So please, I appreciate your calls, I appreciate your support, I appreciate your messages. Sometimes if you're even trying to call me and I'm not picking your calls, or I'm not, just send me a voice note. Anytime I relax, I feel there's somewhere that would call. Like when I was in Lagos, I was doing live stream. One guy was calling with +1, whether in Canada or America, I don't know. He was calling. When I picked, he said, hello, Albert. Hey, 1 year, now, what do I hear? You have been calling me, so I'm busy. I don't even know the person. But the person gave me more than 15 missed calls. What did he want to ask me? He said he sees something on Facebook. He want to know whether it's truth. You don't call people like that. You send a message. I don't get who I will give my phone. Say, please. What I do every day is to surf the internet to make sure that the Edo project, that Governor Obaseki's administration is protected, is defended, that people don't go online to misinform people. So when you go there now, why gumewe bi po gabat oba wa he igwa he ni kewo bode igwa he abat na yagbe gumewe bi po ge oba wa he. Because if I tell you what some of us go through to keep this pace, sometimes the person will call me about land. I keep telling them yeti who favor bava. Favor, my business is kind of slow now because of the tension in the state, but it's okay. And I mean, when we are just about business in the oil, they peak. Many people they call me about you no longer advertise. I say, well, for me, it's not about me. It's not about my family, or I make serious money from property business, but I need to join this man. I need to assist this man. I need to assist him. I don't want these evil people to take over this government. That is why I am here. So when you put the number for move about now, send our people gay. Yes, he said our people gay. He said. He may want say even on my own tip in Megena, I bought more than 10 bags of rice. Me here jade man. Me why here jade man. Why be mute? So please, walao. Even so, I call when I pick. So when say message, they call you. Don't they pick. You do the form. Don't be form me. not be for me, it's not easy for me. All my platforms, where I put all my followers together, over 400,000 people. I know if they pick everybody calls. If you get what you want, tell me, send me a message and I will reply you. So I appreciate you. God bless you for standing by me. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for standing by Obaseki. All the talk about family all over the world. Why are we seeing? I'll share a video now. Politics is a yamune. APC, allow. For school now. Oh, every bookman who has Z, go and pass through the right channel. APC now. Ula APC can come pass again now. Do you allow you go to your word? Ula. Who make you allow? PDP who were for it. You will remain homeless. Can you call a meeting now? Can you call a meeting? Try it. I dare you to call meeting tomorrow in your house. So you kneel down, then APC. Call meeting. No go back to your way. I'll be back online again tomorrow, 9 o'clock. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.